How to log into your Anthem Blue Cross account. Welcome back everyone to this new guide video of how to guide. In this video, let me show you the simple process of logging in to your account of Anthem. So if this video sounds helpful to you, make sure you stick till the end. Search for anthem.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you land on the website of Anthem, to log into your account, you can see an option called Login on the top right. From this section, you'll be able to choose the type of account that you're trying to log into. If you are a member just trying to log into your account, make sure that you select the For Members option and then click on Login. In the next section, you need to type in the email address or the username of your account, and in the second box, you'll need to type in the password as well. If you don't remember your login details, click on Forgot Username or the password link, which is on the bottom. From there, you'll be able to reset and create a new password and recover your username as well. Once you type in both of your credentials, click on Login and you'll be easily logged in to your Anthem Blue Cross account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily guide videos that we upload. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.